mountains, she saw silver clouds below. She saw everything as far as you can see. They say that she got crazy once and she tried to touch the sun. Lost a friend, but kept the memory. Now she walks in quiet solitude, the forests and the streams, seeking grace in every step.